Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and we are about to get a heck of a storm. But before we do, I want to show you the brooder that Poppy built for me absolutely, almost absolutely free this weekend. I'll show you the parts that were free, and I'll show you the parts we paid for. Well, there's my sort of new brooder, y'all. It was put together with a mix of materials that Poppy got for free or used on the main chicken coop and had left over. The pallet wood he got from work. The back part of the roofing here is what we used for the siding on this coop. He also put some plastic underneath it to try to keep the water out in the back half of the coop. I don't know how well that's going to work because, of course, the sides are open, but we'll see. For this half of the roof, he used leftover wood that we had from other projects. This here is leftover chain that we used in the main coop, and what that does is keep the lid from flying all the way back. See, it holds it upright, so that way I don't have to go climbing for it. I can just grab the lid and shut it. The chicken wire came from my daughter's house. She had bought too much when she found some on sale not long ago and gave it to us to finish this project. And the little roosts in the back there were branches out of our yard. Poppy just trimmed them up and stuck them in there. Now that won't work as a permanent solution for their roosting because their feet are going to grow, but as they're babies, it'll be fine. That light we did have to buy. It cost about $10. He also bought the hinges for the roof door there, and that was about $2 or $3. Poppy's kind of disappointed that he wasn't able to paint it. We ran out of time. But I told him it didn't matter because these chickens aren't going to be staying in here their whole life. So what do you think of that? I think that Poppy did an amazing job with the resources that we had on hand and a little bit of money. And if you'd like to see what else is going on with this penny pinching granny, go ahead and click on the video that's coming up next.